On Wednesday, July 2nd, 2025, at approximately 12:44 p.m., Officer Robertson responded to Shoe Carnival following a third-party report of a possible domestic disturbance. Upon arrival, officers located a female in the rear parking lot, but what started as a routine welfare check quickly took an unexpected turn.
I gotta cut through the bull crap, okay? We got a call that said someone was punching on you.
I know.
Who's in there?
I don't know where he's at.
What's his name?
I don't want to tell people.
Well, if you don't want to press charges, I mean, that's up to you.
I don't know where he's at. I don't know if he's in there or not.
What's his name?
I'm just gonna walk. I don't know what his name is.
What's your name?
I don't want to get in trouble.
Okay. 10-4, I'm with the female half right now. All right, where's the shoes?
He has them.
He has them? Okay. What's your name? Don't lie to me.
You know my name is.
What's your name?
Lauren.
What is it?
Lauren.
Shoplifting affects prices in businesses. Retail theft can contribute to higher costs for businesses. Some stores respond by raising prices, locking up merchandise, reducing staff, or even closing locations in areas with heavy theft. Smaller businesses are often hit harder because they have thinner profit margins.
Hey, do you got a video?
Yeah, we got a video. We're not
Who took the shoes?
No one took any shoes.
Okay.
No one took any shoes.
Those are brand new shoes.
I had these shoes when I walked in.
Okay, are these the shoes?
Oh yeah.
No, these were not the shoes. I had these shoes when I walked in. 100%. Put up the video. I bought these shoes.
When?
I bought these shoes
And you said
on the
they're
23rd.
sandals?
On the 23rd.
All right.
23rd.
Empty out your backpack. I gotta see if there's sandals
There's
in
nothing
there.
in there. There's
Okay.
nothing in there.
Does he have the sandals?
There's nothing in there. I'm not trying to do anything wrong.
Empty out your backpack, Lauren.
There's really nothing much to see.
You holding anything in there or no?
No.
What?
No.
There's no drugs in there or nothing?
I don't do drugs.
Okay. What's your last name?
O'Cuddy.
What is it?
O.
O.
C.
C.
R.
R.
O.
O.
T. T. Y.
T. T. Y.
Nothing happened.
Okay. Well, stand up. Stand up. You're being detained for retail theft. Take the backpack off. Stand up.
For retail theft? For
Yep.
why?
For the shoe.
Oh!
Charlie, I just had one take off on you.
No, I don't want them. Take them. I don't want them. You know, that's what you're gonna do. I'm not doing this
Put
shit.
your hands behind your back.
I'm not getting.
Put your hands behind your back now.
You're physically hurting me.
I'm 10-4.
You're physically hurting me.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're physically hurting me. You're physically hurting me. Can you please
It's
stop
about
this?
to get worse. Put your hands behind your back.
I don't want this.
Put your hands behind your back. Now.
Ow!
Put your hand behind your
I
back.
just smashed my head in the concrete.
Put your hand behind.
Where's the video? Where's the video cam?
It's
You
on.
just smashed- you
Put
just
your.
smashed my fucking
I'm
hands.
rolling you over so I can
I
get
don't
your
want
hand
this shit. I
behind
don't
your
want
back.
this shit. I don't want this.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'll give it back to you. I
Listen.
don't care. I'll give it back to them. I'll go in there and
All
apologize.
right, you want to get tased?
No, I would go in there.
Put your hand behind your
I want to
back.
go in there and apologize. I want to go in there and
Okay,
apologize.
we
Can
can
you
work with that.
Can
But
we go
right
in
now,
there?
you're being detained.
Can I go in there and apologize? I'm sorry. Please.
Put your hand behind your back. Stand up. You got a video of her taking the shoes?
No, that's what you saw her doing.
Okay.
That's what she was sitting.
I don't want him. I don't want him. I don't want him. I don't want him.
30, you can show her in custody
I
for
don't want him. I don't want him.
resisting.
I don't want him. I don't
also
want him.
retail.
I'm gonna get charged for nothing.
Stand
I don't
up.
want him. I don't want him. I
It's
don't
too
want
late.
him. I don't care.
Stand
I don't
up.
want him to do shit. I'm sorry. I was up. I'm so sorry.
Stand up.
No. Take him. I gave him back the shoes. I gave him back the shoes. That should be a simple
No,
ticket.
you didn't. You took off running. You didn't get back. Get in. Now.